Hi there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete any system files on your Windows PC and save some space in this process. Well, the process is very simple. Just right click on the C drive, then go to properties, then click disk cleanup. Now you can see all the files that you can actually delete. Now these are all some of the temporary files that you can delete. You can just select them and delete. This is something everyone probably knows. Besides these, if you want to delete any system update files or any files that are taking up space on Windows folder, then this is what you need to do. Click on this button, clean up system files. Now this software will scan your C drive for any update files in Windows folder or program files folder. Now the scanning has been done. And as you can see, Windows update cleanup took about 3 GB of space. Let me just select that. Let's see if there's anything else. And then just click OK. Now I'll be able to clear up 6 GB of space and you might be able to clear up more. So guys, there you have it. We got a bit more free space. If you like this video, do hit the like button and comment below this video as well. It really helps us a lot. With that said, see you next time.